question from SQL series, an easy question. Actors and director who cooperate at least 3 times. So we have a table actor director having 3 columns, actor, director and timestamp. So we have to check, like for the actor ID and the director ID, who has worked at least 3 times. So we're gonna group by the actor and director ID, and we're gonna count the row is greater than equal to 3. So select actor ID and director ID from the table actor director, and we gonna group by the actor ID and director ID, and we are applying our condition having count of asterisk greater than equal to 3. So what happened, it gonna group by, so it gives us 1 1 1 2 2 1, these 3 row. Let's see what it done first. Okay, so like so it gave 1 1 1 2 2 1. By the applying this having count greater than equal to 3, it count how many times this row come and this and this. If this count is greater than equal to 3, then it return the row. So let's see. So perfect, it written only 1 1. So thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for the next video.